Assalamu alaikum. My name is Anam Nadeem. I'm your SST teacher. How are you all, students? I hope you will be fine. Well, I'm going to teach you New Oxford Social Studies for Pakistan, Grade 5. Today we are going to learn about our remaining lesson of world climate. Today we will discuss about climate change. Climate change is a change in the climatic patterns of the region. As you all know, region is an area or area of a country or world which have special features. Well, in climate change, there is an increase in the level of carbon dioxide, which in turn rise the temperature on Earth. The main contributor of climate change is the use of fossil fuels. Now, question arises which increase the greenhouse gases. But before answering this question, do you know what is greenhouse gas? Well, a gas that absorb and emit radiant energy within thermal infrared range are greenhouse gases. And to increase greenhouse gases, agriculture, deforestation, manufacture of cement, chemical, they all take place in increasing the greenhouse gases. Now, greenhouse effect. Greenhouse gases allow sunlight to pass through the atmosphere and reach the Earth's surface. Sunlight captured some heat and other heat go back towards the space. So this trapping of heat inside the atmosphere is called greenhouse effect. In greenhouse effect, greenhouse gases are very important. Without greenhouse gases, the Earth would be chilly with a temperature of falling to minus 17 degrees Celsius. In that we can't survive. So greenhouses are very important. The effect of greenhouse gases on climate. Climate, as you know, changing the amount of greenhouse gases can lead to warming or cooling the climate system. Okay? Greenhouse amount should be very appropriate, because if there is an increase in amount of greenhouse gases, then they will create global warming. Burning of fossil fuels. The burning of fossil fuels such as petroleum, coal, natural gas, they all produce carbon dioxide gases. And in power plant, the main energy resource there, coal, is used. And in all types or all modes of transport, they all run on petrol. You all know that. And in mills and factories, the fossil fuels they run on carbon dioxide, and due to rapid industrial development, more vehicles are being added to the roads, and more industries are being set up. Now, deforestation. Do you know what is the meaning of deforestation? Deforestation is a permanent removal of trees. But you all know that trees take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. In this way, the air gets purified. But another reason for increase in carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is deforestation. In deforestation, many trees are being cut down and there will be space for agriculture, houses and factories. Now there are some ways which help us and which we can use to reduce the effect of climate change. First, in this, they said that be energy efficient, means use less electricity. When you are not in room, turn off the lights. When there is nobody in the room, turn off the lights. Save water by turning off taps. Use electrical appliances. When you use the electrical appliances, turn off that appliances such as computer and television. Plant more trees, because as you have discussed before, trees absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen. So our air is purified. Walk bicycle rather than using or traveling in vehicles. Use sunlight to dry clothes rather than using dryer. Use recycling things. Buy less plastic. Okay, and use that plastic that can be recycled. So these are all the things or ways which which help us or which we can use to reduce the effect of climatic energy. So this is all about today's lecture, in which we have discussed about the climate change, the greenhouse effect, the effect of greenhouse gases on climate, deforestation. So this is all about. Is there any query, any problem which you want to discuss? Okay, thank you. Take care.